This is my favorite part of the Dover plan. This extra room, it could be an office, a playroom, formal dining. What would you do with it? Leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear.
This is the Dover at 824 Shipley. Is it Shipley or Shipley? I don't know. Shiplay. So this is on the other side. This is on the side of Shipley that has the other neighborhood behind it. So let's go take a look inside. I think
we are focusing on DR Horton floor plans and neighborhoods.
the front of this home, the elevation is so pretty. I love the details. Let's go take a look inside. This is listed at $312,000 and it is close to 1,900 square feet. 2-car garage. I love the Dover plan. Let's go take a look. So here we are inside the Dover. I love in Stanbury Creek how they're putting the styled front door in. It lets in that natural light, but it's also private. I love that. So here, and it's craftsman's-y. Craftsman's-y. That's not even a word, and I said it 3 times wrong. So
there are sales centers in these DR Horton neighborhoods that you can just swing by and the sales representative will be happy to help you. They can answer all of your questions, but word of advice, you do not save any money not having a realtor represent you. So when you go into this sales center, you make sure to tell them that you saw my video, Jordan Breasseale. I would love to represent you and have your interest at heart.
So here is your entryway, and you come in and you have your guest bedroom off the front, guest bath, linen closet, and then you come in and you have this great formal dining or office space. And this is the rolled vinyl floor again, but I think it looks really nice. Then over here to the left, you have another bedroom, plenty of closet storage, and then you have your access to the garage there, and we will look at that, but I want to get first into the kitchen and living area. So you have a great size kitchen. They did the great cabinets in this home. I love the color combination of this light counter and these gray cabinets. Looks really good. These are laminate countertops. They're really pretty. Lots of storage in this kitchen. Again, the hardware does not come on the cabinets and there's no crown molding on the cabinets, but that's something that we could certainly arrange for you after closing if that's important to you. We could also install a backsplash. Wouldn't that be pretty? Here is your great size pantry. Look at all that space. Whirlpool appliances in here. And it goes over here to the dedicated dining space, which I love. I love when a dining space is defined. And that goes off to a covered porch, which I love. I love all of DR Horton's plans with the covered porch. Now, this is the side of Shipley that backs up to a neighboring neighborhood. You do have a nice backyard, fully sodded. You could easily install a fence or just some additional trees for privacy.
Let me know your favorite DR Horton floor plan in the comments below. If you're curious about any other floor plan, I'll link my DR Horton floor plan playlist above. If you don't see the one that you are curious about, shoot me a text, leave a comment below, and I will go check it out.
I think this is an amazing deal for this Dover floor plan in this neighborhood so close to the beach. And it's incredibly spacious. Look at this living room. Love, love, love the 3 windows. This home does come with the blinds already. If you are a veteran or a first responder, then DR Horton does give you blinds or a refrigerator or maybe both as part of their package. DHI Mortgage, which is DR Horton's mortgage company, they are now offering the lower interest rates, which is phenomenal. DR Horton, what they do is they basically put a bulk of money into an account that buys down the interest rate. So look at this nice size laundry area.
Hi, I'm Jordan Breasseale with Live Love Brunswick. If you want to know everything about North Carolina beach living, then subscribe the bell below for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Brunswick County.
Let's go take a look at the primary. Tucked away on this side of the home, separate from the other bedrooms. The homes do come pre-wired, so you could put a ceiling fan in. So you view out into the backyard. And I love the size of this bathroom. And it's got a his and hers. Walk-in shower, and you have a water closet there, and a very large closet. Okay, let's go check out the other bedrooms. Off here, down this hallway, you have a coat closet. Another storage closet that goes back a little bit. Your second bedroom. It also has a good size closet for a guest bedroom. It's deep. On camera, these rooms look a lot smaller than they are. Out this way, you have the garage. It does have the garage door opener installed. In some neighborhoods, they do not install the garage door opener. So that's nice. And then you have your secondary bath. And your third bedroom. The doorknobs do need to be adjusted. This door needs to be flipped. This door, that's funny. They just need to flip those doors. That's hilarious. You see that happen a lot, actually, and it's an easy fix, but it's funny how often it happens with a lot of builders, not just DR Horton. Linen closet.
I am Jordan Breasseale with Live Love Brunswick. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I would love to help you out. Until next time.